Thank you so much. Good morning to everybody, first of all. And I want to thank and bless the entire Sal family. More Dr. Deepti, of course, you are a guiding light. So I have a few blessings. I joined this journey in June 2024 और तब से देखती रही बट अभी इस वक्त शेयर करने को इसलिए मेरा मन हुआ क्योंकि आई हैड अ वेरी मैसिव चैलेंज इन माय लाइफ विच इज नाउ क्लियर एंड ऑल थ्रू जब मेरा वो चैलेंज चल रहा था और मैं उसके बारे में आई वाज वर्किंग ऑन इट मेरे मन में बार बार ये आता था विजुअलाइजेशन कैसे करनी है तो ऑब्वियसली द विजुअलाइजेशन वाज विद द पर्सन और द पर्टिकुलर थिंग बट आई आल्सो ऑलवेज केप्ट थिंकिंग दैट आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर दिस ऑन द during this morning meetings. So let me start. My daughter was pregnant, and in the 5th month, हमको पता लगा उसके 5th month scans में कि the child is having CPC. I think you would know what that is, doctor. So basically, for the others, it's basically cyst in the brain. So he had one on the left hand side and one on the right hand side. तो obviously it was something that हम लोगों को तो नहीं पता था तो we got really बहुत पैनिक हो गए हम लोग कि क्या है क्या नहीं है but the gynae said that normally by 7th month this disappears and we really can't do much except that if you want to abort the child that is an option that you have but मेरी daughter ने बोला नहीं मुझे abort नहीं करना I'll continue with the pregnancy so we continued and that's when I started writing about the child so my journeying was that the baby in Tanvi's, that's my daughter's name, is completely normal and healthy mentally and physically. So this I wrote for 100 times for about 5 days. And then I surrendered it to universe. I said, I cannot continue. And I think I had heard you saying, ki, बहुत ज़्यादा भी नहीं करना चाहिए, so you should just leave it. So I did that. But, and I have to say this, that it gave me a lot of solace. And I wasn't as anxious as I would normally be. Normally मैं बहुत anxious होती हूँ about kids particularly, उनकी health के बारे में बहुत anxious रहती हूँ. And I realized that, well, there's a change, there's a shift. But when she was delivering around that time, again I started writing. That time I wrote about 21 times for 3 days. The same thing, that the baby in Tanvi's womb is absolutely completely normal and healthy physically and mentally. And इसके साथ when I had read up जब हमने गूगल किया तो पता लगा था that trisomy 18 करके इफेक्ट हो सकता है इस चीज का. Basically what that would mean is the baby is born deformed, club feet or joint fingers and all of that. So we were very anxious कि baby कैसा आएगा तो but perfectly normal, looked perfectly fine. His heart and lungs, everything was fine. So that was one time I wanted to share. I was always about to jump, but the doctor said that we will need to do a scan of the baby when he's born. So we were waiting that is it going to happen now? Then she said, okay, let's wait. Looks all right. We'll do it after a month. Then she kept saying that आपकी मर्जी आप कराओ या नहीं कराओ. But my daughter was very anxious कि we don't know what's wrong with him. Is he fine? Is he not fine? Internally है चला गया कि नहीं गया. So just 2 days back हम लोगों ने उसकी अल्ट्रासाउंड कराया एंड जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे 4.8 mm वाला था वो टोटली कंप्लीटली डिसअपियर हो गया 3 mm वाला ऑन द अदर साइड इज स्टिल देयर बट द गायनी सेड दैट द फैक्ट दैट इट हैज डिसअपियर्ड this too will go on its own time and his milestones are perfectly normal and I don't see any reason why you should get anything done just leave it as it is so that was a great blessing for us we felt so relieved जब डॉक्टर ने हमको बोला कि you just forget it throw it and just carry on with your life so that was